Hi everyone. Well, I have to tell you, we had such a harsh winter, very low temperatures, and a long season of snow falling and accumulation. So my boxwood that it was not perfect, but at least was starting to grow and it was starting to take form, is there no longer. Most of my boxwoods died, and maybe it's a blessing in disguise because all those boxes were different. I got them on sale at Home Depot at some point, and I just went with the flow. But look at how they got. They got really damaged, and I replaced them with the Better Boxwood that I also bought last year at Home Depot because they were on sale. And I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was just gonna use them for topiaries and whatever in the garden because I love boxwoods. But now I am gonna use them as a hedge in the front. So wish me luck. The ones that I took out from the front that I think might survive, I'm using it in the back over here. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try. Anyways, this is how things are looking. This is my bloomerang lilac, the candy corn spirea, and my beautiful little boxwoods that hopefully are gonna touch one of these days. Well, not this year. I wanted to tell you also they grow, I think 4 feet tall and 3 feet wide. So I planted them about 24 inches apart to see if they eventually touch, but they don't get too crowded. And this is how my front flower bed is looking. Things are waking up. There's not a lot to see, but we're gonna get there. This is all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.